This system is a quick and easy solution if you don't have much space behind your sewing machine, or if you're doing a big quilt or even a small quilt, but a big quilt and you want to take the weight off your shoulders. So we have 2 clamps that one fits onto your sewing table or machine table, and that has a clamp at the top of it which takes the weight of the fabric and the material, and this bends in whichever direction, and it also swivels, so you can utilise it in any way you wish. And the other clamp is on the other side. So having fed your quilt in under your machine, this system also means that you have a very small amount of material in the arms and the bed of the machine. Taking the end of the quilt, bending it over slightly, open the clamp, and it's now secured. And then taking the other end, again, hold the material over slightly and clamp. So I'm now going to be working on the bottom end of the quilt. I can straighten this up, get the material out of the way. Same on this side. You can of course move this clamp in closer to the end of your machine and move this one over, which I'll do now. That will straighten it up slightly. And I'm ready now to quilt the bottom part of my quilt without having all the material caught at the back of the machine. See you when I start machining. Starting to machine on the quilt, and hopefully you'll see that nothing moves at the top end, but it just makes life so easy when manoeuvring round. We'll just go round once so you can see the fabric moving in all directions. Take out the pins. Don't want to damage my machine. And off we go again. So as you can see, the fabric under the needle moves around very, very easily. And you can slide it in any direction. So we've completed a full circle on the quilt. And of course, if you have a much larger quilt, it's going to be so much easier, and you will just move the material up and reclamp as you go along. So I hope this is something that will make life much, much easier for you as a machinist, as a quilter, and no more bad shoulders from trying to move the fabric around and taking the weight of it, and everything is much easier.